Where's Belle? Where's Belle? Where's Belle? Bella, Wella, well. Where do you think is Belle? Belle is in the water. I must save her. I must. I saved Belle. She's alive. No, she died. She's alive. No, she died. Ariel's coming. Ariel's coming. Now what are we gonna do? Where's the girls? I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know either. I've got the girl. Ah! Put her in the dish. Yes, master. My minions. I must get my minions fishy. Boom, boom, minions! Yes. Destroy! Dun, we shall destroy them all! Whew. Derek, stop screaming. Look at my good looks. Look at my good. Go away! I told you to go away. I'm gonna take my nap. Move away. I'll take my nap here. Comfortable bear, my comfortable bear, my comfy bear. Meanwhile, he can't see us sneaking out. Let's sneak out. Ariel's coming. Let's go. Stop. I'm getting out. Going out. We better close this. Wait, Cinderella. Yeah? Let's check what's in here. What's in here? Doo-doo. What's in here? Girls, get out. No. Get out. Girls. Get out. Close it. Okay, girls, let's go. Get in our car. I'm driving. I'm driving. Hey, no fair. I'm going in the front. That's not fair. Fine, I'll go in the back.